guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the PUMA RS-FAST RR. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the PUMA RS-FAST RR or RR. The way I say it, I sound like I'm saying a cheer or something, RR. But no, I'm saying two R's. We got this in a UK size 7.5. It is a 8.5 US and it's a European 41. And the colorway that we got, it says quary. So you're expecting a grey, and you're right. We've got a grey sneaker. And when it comes to sneakers, guys, if you're looking for an easy to wear color, I recommend grey. It goes with pretty much everything. And it's great to see that there's an option of a grey sneaker given by Puma. Now, we've done previous RS sneakers in the past before. I really enjoyed wearing them. Easy to wear, they're pretty decent looking. It gives you that 2000 nostalgic vibe, which is great because, you know, styles are influenced and they're recycled every 20 years. And since we're in the 20s now, to 2020s, 20 years ago it was the early noughties. And you can see it given the silhouette of this sneaker. It's chunky, it is like a race sneaker. Do people actually run in these? I wouldn't know. Personally, I just walk in these, but anyway, I'm just digressing. So we'll start with the outsole. This outsole is an all rubber outsole. You got a lot of traction patterning here, and you got the running system logo that's just on the mid foot here. You can see it there, and that's what RS means. It means running system. The midsole unit is a polyurethane midsole. It's there for your cushioning, and what you can see here is that Puma strip or the stripe, however you want to call it or acknowledge it these days. But you usually see it in the Puma classic stripes. It's just there. It's very iconic, just not as iconic as other shapes that trainers have. Moving along onto the upper. So this upper is made out of a variety of materials. We've got a lot of synthetic synthetic leathers. So you can see on the grey overlays here, and just underneath you got the mesh, the nylons. So you can see the nylon on the toe box, and it makes parts of the medial and the lateral side of the sneaker. So you got some more of those synthetic leather on the uppers, on the overlays. Very nicely padded tongue. You got some rope places, and you got the Puma logo there, and it says RS system. The heel, so we look at the heel, you got a reinforced plastic clip in this iridescent sheen or iridescent shine. It does work its way well with the grey. This essentially is a grey mono, but right there you got a little sparkly bit, you can see. With this sneaker just being a booty construction, you can easily slip in your feet. It's just a one patterning there, that whole one construction. Very nicely padded. You've got webbed patterning on the inner, so you can see an ankle support as well. On the insole, you've got the running system, so you can see a little gel foam there. It's there for your comfort, which is great to see. And the way that Puma have advertised this on their website is for running, but again, I really question who runs in these kind of sneakers. This is, for me, it's more of a fashion trend. It's more of a casual walks even. It's more of a fashion statement rather than one for athletic use. But that's how I see it. I think it's easy to wear. I can't wait to show you guys how these look on. We've done plenty of Puma RSs in the past. They all look a bit similar to me. If you check the Puma RS-FAST Nano that we've done previously, this is essentially the same sneaker, just different outsole, different colors and all that jazz. But given comfort that those sneakers provided, I'm sure that I'll enjoy wearing these Puma RS-FAST RRs. Roll that footage of me trying them on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend you get your true to size Puma fit. I'm a UK size 7.54, or which is a European 42. So my toes are where they need to be. Very comfy, guys. Personally, I wouldn't do any long distance running in these. This is more for casual use. Easy color to wear in this all grey. I like that little pop that the iridescent heel guard does there that you can see. There as well. Great entry level price point if you're looking for an easy sneaker to wear. I recommend these RS-FAST RRs. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. If you're wondering what trousers I'm wearing J.W. Anderson Uniqlo cargo pants. Again, thanks guys for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.